Definition of first central moment. The first moment is called the mean, which describes the center of the distribution. The average of the deviations of the observation from their mean is called first central moment. Formula for ungrouped data, first central moments, that is mu1 is equal to sum of xi minus x bar whole raised to 1 divided by capital N. And for group data, first central moment mu1 is equal to sum of fi into bracket xi minus x bar whole raised to 1 divided by capital N. Now take one example for ungrouped data. Observations are given xi, that is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find first central moment. Now here we are written in table form xi 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For this, first we have to find mean x bar, that is equal to sum of xi divided by n. So total is 30, and we have observation total 5. So 30 by 5, that is equal to 6. So x bar is equal to 6. Now we have to find xi minus x bar. So 2 minus x bar is equal to how much? 6. So 2 minus 6, that is equal to minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 6 0, and so on. We'll have x minus x bar is equal to 0. Now putting in the formula of first central moment, that is mu1 is equal to sum of xi minus x bar divided by n. So we got x minus x bar, that is equal to 0, and n is 5. So our answer is 0. Now we'll take one example for group data. From the following frequency distribution, find first central moment. Your xi is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and frequency is also given 3, 5, 8, 3, 4. Now we will write in this in table form. Now first we calculate the frequency, total frequency. Here we can see that total frequency is equal to n is equal to 23. Now we have to find mean. For mean, formula is x pi is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by n. So first we have to find fi into xi. Here we can see that 2 into 3, we got 6. 4 into 5, we got 20. The same way, multiply, you have to multiply 6 into 8, 8 into 3, and 10 into 4. Total is your sum of fi into xi is equal to 138. Now 138 into divided by 23, we got 6. Now we have to find xi minus x bar. Here x bar we got 6. So xi is how much? 2. So 2 minus uh, 6, that is equal to minus 4. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. And so on. We have to find this, and answer is 0. Now we have to find sum of fi into xi minus x bar. So fi into xi minus x bar, that is equal to this one, xi minus x bar is how much? Minus 4. This fourth column multiplied with second column, that is frequency. This into this one. So we will have 3 into 4 minus 12, 5 into 20, 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10, and so on. We will have answer 0. So here we can say that see that mu1 is equal to formula, putting this in the mu1 formula, sum of frequency fi into bracket x minus x bar divided by n. So mu1 is equal to, we have sum of fi minus xi minus x bar, that is equal to 0. So mu1 is equal to 0 divided by 23, that is equal to 0.